Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have an exciting topic for all database lover out there. We are diving deep into the world of MySQL aggregate functions. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned developer, understanding these functions is essential. So, let's begin. What are aggregate functions? In MySQL, aggregate functions perform a calculation on a set of values and return a single value. They are incredibly powerful for summarizing and analyzing data. Today, we will explore some of the most commonly used aggregate functions and learn how to leverage them effectively. We will start with count function. This function counts the number of rows in a specified table or a result set. It is handy for getting a quick overview of the size of your data. Let's take a look at a practical example. Here, we got a simple table students that we have created in previous video. Now let's check how many rows do this table have. Firstly, I am using select statement to get all rows in students table. Here we can see there are 2 rows. So the proper way to get number of rows in table is using count function in this way. We can also give proper name to column using as keyword. This is also known as alias. Again, let's insert a row in students table and use count function to make sure whether count increases or not. Yes, you can see over here, count is added by 1 and total number of rows are 3. Next is the sum function. This one does exactly what you would expect. It adds up the values in a specified column. Perfect for calculating total sales, scores, or any other numeric data. Let's check out examples. Before using sum function, now select these 2 tables and look over the rows and data. We have John with student ID 1 and Maria with student ID 2. Let's see the fee amount of these 2 students in student fee table. John paid 4,000 for the year 2021 and Maria paid 7,000 for year 2023. Let's add fee amount 3,000 for John for the year 2023 so that we can look after more appropriate example. New fee detail row is added for student ID 1 that is John. Now we will use sum function in select statement to get sum total of fee amount for all student. Select sum of fee amount from student fee table. Also, we can give meaningful name to column using alias. You can see over here, the total sum of fee amount of all student or, you can say all rows, is 14,000. Now, let's use group by clause to get sum of fee amount by fee year, that is, total fee amount for each year. Also, add fee year column in select statement so that data looks more meaningful. C. Total fee collected for the year 2021 is 4,000 and 10,000 for the year 2023. Now let's do more advanced sum function uses using inner join with student table. Give a alias name to student fee table with or without as keyword, whichever you feel good, and inner join the student table as we learned in our previous video. If you just join these to table and execute the query, you will find no changes in result set. But what we are trying to do is, we want to get first name and last name of student from students table. OK, added first name and last name in select. Now let's execute this query. You can see over here we got error. This is because it is compulsory to add columns name in group by clause, those we have in select, whenever we use any aggregate functions. After adding columns in group by clause, now we can check result of query. We can see here, we are able to see total amount of fee paid by John and Maria for year 2021 and 2023. Now results are more clear with student names and fee year. Again, let's check by removing fee amount column from group by and select. It should sum up the fee amount irrespective of year. That is, it will show total amount of fee paid by John and Maria till now. And finally, we will check average, min, max and count functions. Remove this group by clause and use semicolon to end query. Now use AVG and fee amount inside bracket to get average fee amount. Execute this query and see. We have 4,666.66 as average amount of 14,000. Now, let's move to min and max function and check what are minimum and maximum fee amount in student fee table. Execute the query. You can see over here, 3,000 is minimum fee amount and 4,000 is maximum fee amount paid by students. We can also make sure by checking in student fee table. Finally, count function. Use this function to count number of rows in table or number of data based on some conditions. Conditions are checked using where clause, which will be covered in coming videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.